At Canadel, each chair, table, and buffet is carefully assembled. A good structure will last for years. The quality of assembly is critical. We produce and customize 1,200 chairs and stools a day. Here are some of the laboratory tests carried out to check the sturdiness of the chairs. For several hours, a rocking motion is simulated to verify the chair's assembly strength and durability. A chair falling on the floor, or being kicked, is also simulated using the hammer test. We repeat the operation several times and check for joint damage, cracks or breaks. Heavy pressure is applied to the seat while pulling on the backrest to ensure the strength of the assembly. Each of our chairs and stools can support up to 450 pounds. Every day, we produce and customize more than 200 tables. Here are some of the laboratory tests carried out to check the sturdiness of the tables. Heavy pressure is exerted mechanically on the center of the table. The leaves are subjected to the same pressure to test the strength of the hardware. Weight is placed on a corner of the table, which must remain stable. This test simulates the pressure of a person leaning on the table while getting up. A side impact is exerted to test the strength of the assembly. We produce and customize 60 buffets and kitchen islands a day. Here are some of the laboratory tests carried out to check the sturdiness of the buffets. We open all the doors and drawers of the furniture piece and ensure it remains stable. To conduct tip testing, weight is placed on the center of a top drawer fully open to imitate a packed drawer. While open, weight is applied on the doors to test the strength of the hardware. The finish of a furniture piece is also important. All Canadel products are finished with a catalyzed lacquer for ease of care. At Canadel, we believe in manufacturing hand-assembled and finished products that meet the highest industry standards. Canadel, quality time after time since 1982.